Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're getting bombarded with annoying website notifications on Chrome, in this video I will show you how to stop or block Chrome notifications on your Android. So first, open the Google Chrome app on your Android. Now tap the three dots at the top right and go to Settings. Now scroll down and find this option called Notifications and tap on it. And simply toggle off the Allow Notifications button. You can also manually block specific websites you don't want notifications from. And that's how you can stop Google Chrome notifications on Android, clean and silent browsing, just the way you like it. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.